I know you're here because you're looking for a change. You're ready to turn things around, to make the greatest comeback of your life. Whether you're struggling with money, feeling stuck with your health, or just tired of being out of shape, this video is for you. You can change your life. And today, I'm gonna give you the 3 steps to do just that.
The first and most important step in making the greatest comeback of your life is believing it's possible. I know right now, it might feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of failure. You might be looking at your bank account, your body, or your health, thinking, this is it. This is all I'll ever be. But let me tell you something, your past doesn't define you. Do you think the greatest success stories started with everything perfect? No. Take a look at someone like Elon Musk. He was laughed at, told he would never make it. Or Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He was once broke, living in a small apartment, and now he's a global icon. What did they all have in common? They believed that their comeback was possible. Right now, you need to change your mindset. Stop telling yourself the story of why you can't win, and start telling yourself the story of how you will win. The first step in any comeback is a shift in perspective. Believe that you can do it, no matter where you are right now. Now, belief alone isn't going to change your life. Action is what turns belief into reality. You need to take small, consistent steps every single day. You're not going to turn your life around overnight. But if you show up today and then tomorrow, and then the day after that, you're building momentum. Let's talk about money. Maybe you're unemployed or struggling with your finances right now. The first thing you need to do is stop waiting for the perfect opportunity. The perfect opportunity doesn't exist. Start small. Maybe it's applying for a few jobs every day, learning a new skill, or starting an online side hustle. If it's fitness, don't think you have to run a marathon tomorrow. Start with 1 push-up. 1. That's it. Then tomorrow, add 1 more. Over time, you'll be amazed at what those small actions add up to. You don't have to transform overnight, but you do need to start right now. Every journey begins with the first step. So take it. The third step is consistency. Listen, life's going to throw obstacles at you. You might fail. You might feel like giving up. But the secret to the greatest comebacks is in how you get back up after a setback. Resilience is what separates those who succeed from those who quit. Every time you fall, you've got to remind yourself, this is just part of the journey. It's not the end of the road. You'll hit challenges. Maybe you'll lose motivation or face rejection. But if you keep moving forward, keep showing up, and keep pushing, you'll start seeing the results. The gym might feel tough at first, but after a few weeks, you'll feel stronger. Your bank account might be low, but every small step you take toward improving your skills or finding a job gets you closer to financial freedom. Your comeback is going to require persistence. You will face days where it feels like nothing is working. That's when you dig deeper. When you face adversity, that's when your growth really happens. The people who win are the ones who never stop, no matter how many times they fall. So, there you have it. The greatest comeback of your life starts with belief, followed by action, and then the resilience to keep going no matter how hard it gets. You got this. There's a warrior inside of you, and it's time to unleash it. If you're ready to take action, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. Your comeback starts today, not tomorrow. Get up, get moving, and let's make this the year that changes everything for you. Until next time, keep grinding. Your best self is waiting.